Watching TV. Hey, Sarah. Are you free right now?
Yes, John, I just finished my homework. What's up?
I was thinking of watching some TV. Want to join me?
Sure, I'd love to. Do you have any show in mind?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe a movie or a series.
How about something funny? I could use a laugh.
Good idea. Comedy sounds perfect. Do you have any favorites?
I really like sitcoms. They're light and fun to watch.
Nice choice. Sitcoms are great for a relaxing evening. Have you seen Friends?
Same here. It's such a classic. Let's put it on.
Oh, absolutely. I've got popcorn, chips, and some soda. Which one do you want?
Popcorn sounds perfect. Can you get a bowl for us?
Sure thing. Be right back. Here you go.
Thanks, John. So, which episode are we watching?
I thought we could start from season 1. The early episodes are so funny.
Good choice. I still laugh every time I see them.
The jokes never get old. Here we go.
This part is hilarious. I love their reactions.
Right? It's like you feel you know each character so well.
Exactly. They feel like old friends at this point.
Do you have a favorite character, Sarah?
I think I like Chandler the most. His sarcasm is hilarious.
Oh, totally. Chandler's jokes are the best. I think I like Joey a lot too.
Joey is great. He's so innocent and funny.
I know. And his, "How you doin'?" line never gets old.
Haha, yes. And he always seems so confident with it.
Do you remember the episode where Joey tries to speak French?
Yes. I laughed so hard. He keeps getting it wrong.
That episode is a classic. I don't think I'll ever get tired of it.
Me neither. I love how each episode has its own funny moments.
It really does. I wish more shows were like this.
Same here. Shows nowadays are different. This one's special.
So true. The characters really feel like family after a while.
Yes, like you could sit with them and have a chat.
Exactly. Want to watch another episode after this?
Sure. I have time tonight, so let's keep going.
Awesome. I'm glad we decided to do this. It's been a while.
I know. Watching TV together is so much more fun.
Agreed. Watching alone just isn't the same.
Plus, we can laugh together at all the funny parts.
And talk about the characters too. It's like our own little fan club.
Yes. So, any snacks left? I think we finished the popcorn.
You are right. I'll get some chips this time. Here you go.
Thanks. You always have the best snacks.
I try. Snacks and TV go hand in hand.
Totally. It makes everything feel cozier too.
Do you have any other shows you like?
I like The Office too. It's funny in a different way.
Agreed. The humor is different, but still so good.
Exactly. It's fun discovering new funny shows.
It really is. Comedy shows are the best for relaxing.
I agree. It's the perfect way to end a day.
So true. Watching with you makes it even better, Sarah.
Thanks, John. I feel the same way.
Well, let's get back to our episode. It's getting to the best part.
I'm ready. Let's keep laughing.